Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Let other children join and then we'll begin.
Good morning,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. Bache, all of you take out your SST copies. Till where have you done? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
timeline, point number 7, point number 3.
Timelines, point number 3. Okay, now again let me share screen with you. And then we will do. Just wait. Okay, children, I'm sharing the screen for screen with you for the work ahead. Just wait for a second. Stop share. Now, all of you, meanwhile, get ready with your pencils and scale. Because we are going to do a little work with that. We are going to draw something. Are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Be ready with your scale, eraser, and pencils. Okay. Children, so in the last period, we did till here. Timelines. All of you, I hope, have written these 3 points. The last point was it helps arrange events in a chronological order. Is there anyone in the class who has not written? Okay, wonderful. Everyone has written. Now let me just share the next screen. Shall I share the next screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
see, beta, since my copy is a different one, that is, I have not used one side plain copy. So I have made on the lining page only. But what you have to do is the next page that you will see, the diagram that you are going to see, the timeline I have made, you have to make this timeline on the plain side. Okay, don't make it on the lining side.
Ma'am, on the in page.
On the
means
blank,
in front of the.
yes, in just front of timelines, you have to draw these 2 timelines. Okay, what is BC
Okay, ma'am.
and what is AD? You have to draw that.
Ma'am, we
And
have difficult words there.
what?
Ma'am, we have what?
Beta, Arsalan is speaking, no? Let him speak first. बेटा डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स तो आपको वहां लिखने हैं जहां हमेशा लिखते हैं, लाइनिंग पेज पे. You don't have to write the difficult words over there. What I have made with this pencil, you have to make on plain page in front of the topic timelines. Okay,
Ma'am, but
this
my
is,
time is full, ma'am. Ma'am, my time. So I'm using the another page.
अरे बेटा, you have to draw it on the plain side. Plain side तो blank है. What have you written on the plain side that it is full?
Okay, ma'am.
I didn't have a copy, so I have made it here. But you don't have to make it here on the lining side. You have to make it on the plain side. Just in front of timelines. Draw it very neatly. Nobody will use colors to draw a timeline. Draw it with a dark pencil. And if it is not clear here on the screen, you can see it from the book and draw. Clear? Draw it from the book.
Ma'am, on which page? Ma'am, where is draw? Which page number?
Page number, it is given on 16 page number.
Ma'am, we have to draw this.
Yes, yes, yes. The whole story is over. And now you're asking, we have to draw this.
And ma'am, what's the page number?
16 beta. Page number 16 or 17. Draw these two timelines. They have given, in fact, they have given 3 timelines. So you have to draw all 3 of them. Because in other section also, I made the students draw all 3.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, this is good.
Good afternoon. Who is saying good afternoon? It's 10:45 only, beta. It's good morning.
Ma'am, we have to draw all 3 timelines.
Yes, you have to draw 3 timelines on the blank page. Gauri Gangwar, beta, why are you sitting so relaxed? You don't have to do this work. What are you waiting for?
Ma'am, we have to draw timelines on ma'am white page or ma'am lines page.
Beta, white page. I did not have that copy, so I made it here. You have to draw it on the blank page.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, what is CE?
Beta, right now, please concentrate on writing and doing. I have not explained you the chapter. I have not started the explanation. First, we'll do the key points, and from these key points only, I will come on the explanation. So then you will understand each and everything very nicely and very clearly. Okay? Otherwise, the full form of CE is common error. Don't worry, I will explain you the chapter after we will finish writing the key points.
Ma'am, we have to also write this before children start here.
Yes, yes, yes. Before Christ, years are counted backwards. After Christ's birth, the years are counted forward.
Ma'am,
Yes. Over? After ma'am, over? Nothing to say?
ma'am, please scroll up.
Is it fine? Now I am children muting myself. Just do this work very quietly. And after finishing the timelines, start writing what is written under it.
Ma'am, where is third timeline?
Beta, the third timeline is in your book. You can see from there and draw.
Ma'am, I will make.
Ma'am, please zoom in.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please zoom in.
Zoom.
Ma'am, I will.
Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, there was only two timelines.
Beta, I have made just 2 timelines. You have to make 3 timelines from the book. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first we have to make this timeline, then we have to make other timelines.
Beta, what kind of a question is this? When I have given you this timeline, then you have to draw this only, na? And the third one from the book, why will you draw any other timeline?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Yes, somebody saying anything?
no, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, I've drawn all the three timelines.
Okay, beta, very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, now what I do?
Beta, just write what I have written under it. Start writing.
Ma'am, can you scroll up a little from the
Yes.
start?
It's fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it.
And this point is the part of
And
timeline.
what we have to do?
Yes, this is a part of timelines only, beta. Just write it after what you have written. The next point of timelines.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Mom, I have done.
Yes, beta.
Mom, I have done the work.
Very nice, Aradhya.
Ma'am, please scroll down. I am writing the last Ma'am, I can't see.
Beta, who is this class 2 child sitting with
Ma'am,
class
I
4
also-
students?
Ma'am, I
Hurry up
have
and tell
seen
me
the
who did
name
it.
of that child.
I will
Ma'am,
take
I
you
have
out
seen the
from the
name
class.
of that
Hurry
child.
up and tell me.
Ma'am, I have seen.
Now he's Alak. This is
Alak.
Alak Pratap Singh doing.
Ma'am, Alar. Yes, ma'am, I have seen the name.
Alak, you want to be moved out from the class? You want to be removed from my class? Just tell me.
Ma'am, can you spell up?
Do it. Just wait.
Ma'am, I have written. Ma'am,
Very
can I
good.
send
Very
the
good.
drawing?
No, beta,
Ma'am,
no.
can I
Don't send anything on the class group. I don't need it now. Once we'll complete the chapter, you will send me. Now, children, those who have done this, I would share another screen, the last screen of this chapter with you. Let me know how many of you are still doing from this screen.
Ma'am, please wait. I am on last number.
And what about others? Okay. In last, you have last 2 minutes for yourself. Then I will share the next screen with you. Okay, children?
Ma'am, please scroll.
Take beta. It's fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I also beautify the Ma'am, I also beautify the point. Ma'am, can you turn in the next page?
Yes, beta. Just wait. This is the last part of the chapter, children. Just try to finish this work. And on Monday, I will start with the explanation of the chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of era? Okay, ma'am.
Beta, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to read all the words?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, beta, good.
But can you please tell me what is the before constellation? Common
Before
era? Ma'am,
B,
before common era?
before the common era. BCE stands for before the common era. CE stands for common era.
मैम बट जो लाइन एक वर्ड से ज्वाइन कर रही हो वो क्या है?
Which line, beta? Which line? AD was replaced by CE and BC was replaced by BCE in order to remove the elements of religion. Now, which line are you asking? I have cut the first two lines. They were wrong. Okay. The paragraph stands, what you have to write is from CE. CE stands for.
But ma'am, I have written them.
Beta, why have you written that? Could you not see those cuts? I have cut those two lines, no? You also cut them. Start from CE. CE stands for common era. From here, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am tired.
Beta, you're tired. Yes, you're tired.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, just this much to do. Then you have the class teacher's period, right? No study after it. Just try to do these 4 lines and it will be all over. And if your hands are actually paining, just take a screenshot so that you do it later. Okay?
Ma'am, this is second chapter work, na?
Yes, bache. This is second chapter, key points.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, children, today I'll make a PDF. Today I'll make a PDF of this chapter and send you.
Ma'am, I have done all the work.
Wonderful.
Ma'am, I also.
Very nice. Now you can sit back and relax for the remaining time. 6 minutes and few seconds are left, so you can just sit back and relax.
Ma'am, what is element?
What, beta?
Ma'am, what is element?
Elements are the parts, like remove the elements, features, no, not features. Remove the elements of religion. The exact word that would come for
Ma'am, I have
elements is, just wait, children. Like the traces of religion. Earlier, these years were named because of Jesus Christ. So to remove that, the Christian feature from that, the elements of religion, because it was totally based on Christianity. So elements are like the traces or the parts, you can say.
Okay, ma'am, I understand. Ma'am, I have done.
It can be called as characteristic beta. Okay.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very nice. Those who've written can now sit back and relax.
Ma'am, now can I put my copies and book in my cupboard?
Yes, beta, keep.
Okay. क्लास कर नहीं गाना मैं कुछ काम कर ये म्यूट कर दे
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, only 3 minutes is left. Ma'am, can I leave?
Okay, beta, if you want to leave, you can leave. Be ready for your next class. What activity are you having today in your class?
Ma'am, rainbow sandwich.
Oh,
Ma'am,
wonderful.
making sandwich.
Very nice, very nice. Bye, all the best to all of you.
Ma'am, when your class is over, then it is CT class.
Yes, it will be CT class.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Join at 11:20, beta, not before that. Class 4B students, please leave right now.
Ma'am, in 1 minute, the 11:20 is.
No, it's not 11:20, it's 11:19 only. I will have to end this meeting any which ways. A new one will start because this ends in 40 minutes.